hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How was your day? Mine was stressful, and the weather is so hot. But it ended well. I ate nsasa odudu ugba with better fried fish. I enjoyed. So today I'm going to be giving you an update on the Ossah road, which is still under construction. This is actually my second video on this road. I made a video on this road about 3 weeks ago. That was last month, and I came back today to make this video, and I noticed that a reasonable amount of change has taken place on this road. House part has been poured on both sides of the road. This lane that we are applying on now is ready. It's just remaining some parts of the drainages, and everything will be ready concerning this particular lane now. Then the second lane is still under construction. Is remaining some parts of the road, then some parts of the drainages, and it will be completed. With the way I'm seeing this road will be ready very soon. I must commend the workers on this road. They have been working relentlessly on this road, even on Sundays. All thanks to the able governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Choma Oti. He is doing a great job. So if you watched my video, the last video, the first video I did on this road, yeah, if you compare it with this one, you will understand what I'm saying about the changes that has taken place. If you had watched that video and you are watching this one now, you will see that there is a great difference between that last month and this month. So I want to use this opportunity to also say thank you to all my subscribers and my returning viewers. I want to thank you for always making out time to watch my videos, and also for your nice comments. Some people even call me Adoma. Ada Adoma. Anytime I see that Adoma, like, he used to make me really happy. Like, you need to see the way I used to blush if I see that Adoma or other nice comments. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to you all, because it gives me this encouragement that, like, okay, some people out there are really appreciative of what I'm doing, and it makes me really happy. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your support. I say may God bless you plenty. And if you are not a subscriber yet and you are seeing this video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to comment. That comment is very important to me. Nice words. I like it. It used to make me blush. And please don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified on when I post a new video. So we are here at the Abiatowa Umuahia. So I'm still going to take you. Yeah, we are at the other part of the road. As you can see, what I was saying, this part of the drainage is not yet covered like the rest. So this is Oumabiri Market that we just passed. I've learnt the name. So at this point we move to the other lane because this lane is still under construction. Work is still going on that side, so vehicles have not started making use of this lane. So we are still making use of one lane when you get to that point because work is still going on the other side.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever.
If you watched my previous video, please try and comment and tell me what you think when you compare this video now and the one that I made last month. Compare the two videos and tell me what you think. Are you seeing the change I'm seeing? Because I'm seeing a big change between 3 weeks, like within the space of 3 weeks I'm seeing change. Tell me what you think.
Two hearts running wild.
So this side is not yet completed.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video.
Never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud.
If you have watched this video to this extent, please continue watching. Watch and watch and watch to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mama oh. Obrigado, gracias, gracias.
Never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to
Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.
never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city.